Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm GT and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to bottom seatbelt or bottom lever or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you a quick example of what it is. There's a revert right there, my bad. Right there, that's what it looks like. Also do it with the crayon. Which I am not that good at either. And you can also do it with no grabbing. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you all how to do all three. Okay, so first, show you the first one, which you gotta like, you know how you do your airwalk, you know how you like do that nose grab thingy. Gotta know how to nose grab. Like, this is, wait, my bad. This is an airwalk. You grab the bottom of the board. That's an airwalk, right? And this is a nose grab. So you gotta learn how to nose grab. And also, you also gotta learn how to manual like this. So do normal manual, revert, and do this. Also do this. Do a nose grab with it, so you can practice that. All right. So once you learn that, you're gonna wanna also learn how to revert with it. So basically, just do a trick, land on it like this, and revert and quickly do a 360 hard flip. All right, which I messed up. All right, to do that, that's basically how you do it, and you also gotta do any tricks with it. You can also do it like that, okay? So next is gonna be with the crayon. So you got obviously learn how to do a crayon. Show you right now a crayon. So go to grab again, go down here, and a crayon right here. Learn how to crayon. Okay, so yeah, pretty much learn how to crayon. And now for the nose grab. Right here. It's with LT if you're on regular, so if you're on Goofy RT, it's LT, my bad. Just put it like that. I don't know why. It's with the left trigger, just do not use the right trigger. That's gonna be for the crayon. And for the crayon, it's for the curl is the right triggers. It's like the opposite. Okay? Yeah. And also learn how to do this manual. Like that. Remember? Like that. Alright. So then do it with the crayon. That's pretty much it. Do it with the crayon. Okay? Messed up. Gotta put the right stick down and then okay, so I just which I'm not gonna get the crowd to do, but I'm gonna try to do it. Oh my gosh. Wait. Well, it's pretty hard for me to curl, but you know, it's just like the nose grab. Just revert, quickly revert, and quickly do it 360 hard flips. Easy. Well, something like that. I forgot to do it. And next is with the no grabbing, which I'm pretty good at. To do that, you don't have to you don't even have to curl or nose grab. It's easy. Just like do any trick and land on upside down manual and revert and quickly do it to the hard flip. Which, you see, I'm pretty good at. yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. It's not that difficult. Alright, so that's pretty much how you do it, and if this really helped you, then please be sure to leave a like. That's my friend. Oh god. So I'm gonna do again all of them for you guys. Thing is, yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know. So that's the nose grab one. The crouch. Don't judge me, I'm bad at it. Look at that, it's myself. That's the nose grab. Now the crayon. Pretty bad. I have that. Oh god damn it. Whatever, but you know what I mean. Like, you guys might get it first try, but I didn't get it first try. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, then please be sure to leave a like, whatever it is. And I will see you guys later. Peace. Remember, bye.